Hi there and welcome back. My name is Stephen Aitchison. Today I want to look at a correlation video between the price of Theta and the price of Verasity from the beginning. So I want to do this correlation video and show you where Verasity could go. I really think Verasity is going to explode. That's why I've went in big time with Verasity, and that's why I've been talking about it over the last couple of days. But I want to show you this. Look at this. So this is going to be a correlation video. So we'll look at the price of Verasity when it first came out back in December 2019, and Theta when it first came out. So you can see the price is kind of matching here as well. So if we look at the kind of up there and down, so at the top we've got Theta and at the bottom we've got Verasity, and if we scroll along, keep scrolling along, and kind of price match, we can see the price kind of rising and falling. Keep scrolling along, and we can see Theta up here kind of went sideways around about the 12 cents level, and this is where Theta went from 6 cents all the way up to 18 cents. You can see kind of matching here. I know that was a bigger jump. This is where we are just now with Verasity at the bottom here. We're in 3.7 cents at the minute, and Theta here kind of matching round about here, say 34 cents. So if we look at Theta, where it's gone from here, so it's at 34 cents, kind of carries on upwards, sideways, upwards, sideways, upwards, sideways to $11 from 34 cents. So a rise from 34 cents to where it is just now, we're talking about a 50x for Theta. So Theta done it, Theta done a 50x. We've seen that. We see there's a correlation between, or the price correlation between Theta and Verasity, and similar kind of projects, but not similar in a way because of proof of view that Verasity has got and other things that it's doing as well. But I do see a price correlation there. And we're just at the stage where Theta was 34 cents and it 50x'd from there, and I think we're round about a similar stage here for Verasity as well. So a 50x from here, we're talking $1.50, and that happened within the space for Theta, within the space of 31st of August 2020 to here 22nd of March 2021. So we're talking 6 months. So at the end of the year for Verasity, could we see $1.50? That sounds preposterous just now, but if we looked at Theta back then, and we've seen it was going from 34 cents, and somebody said it was going to go up to $11, you just go, that is impossible, but it's not. And Theta's not finished yet. Theta could go to $50. So it's not finished where it is just now. So if we carry on this continuation and carry on this correlation between Verasity price and Theta price, then we could be looking at a Verasity price of $10. In the future, we're talking next year sometime, possibly. And I don't think that is out with the realms of possibility. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.